Hey guys, happy Tuesday. I just wanted to come on here real quick and go over our latest assignment, which is the Gingerbread House Descriptive Writing Activity. So let's go ahead and get started on how we are going to complete this assignment. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open the PowerPoint presentation. And how you're going to do that is by coming over here to this PowerPoint activity title. But instead of clicking on the title, you're going to come right over here to these three little dots that are listed right here, these little ellipses, and you're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on here, Open in PowerPoint. So once you do that, it's going to pop up with your PowerPoint presentation that needs to be completed. So you can see here, this is going to be the final product that we're going to put together. So this is describing that you guys are realtors at Reindeer Realty in the North Pole, and you are going to be selling a gingerbread house in the city of Winter Park. So you need to convince a prospective buyer to purchase this home. So we're going to be building up to this. So we're going to start out here on slide number 2. So what you're going to do here is read through the bulleted list of phrases below, focusing on the specific vocabulary used to create an image in the reader's mind. For instance, if we said a sophisticated home in a coveted neighborhood, sophisticated means very fancy, and coveted means that a lot of people would love to live there, but it's very selective. So not everybody that wants to is going to be able to. So we're going to create this sort of just like this. We're going to create a flyer for our own gingerbread houses that we are going to come up with on our own. So for slide number 2, what you're going to do is read through each of these words and their definitions. And we're going to grab one of these stars here on the right hand side, and we're going to drag these stars next to our favorite words. So let's say we like the word cozy, giving a feeling of comfort, warmth, and relaxation. Well, we would grab our little star and we would put it next to the word cozy. So let's say we also liked the word historic, belonging to the past. We would put a star here by historic. Now you're going to notice that it says here on this slide and the following slide. So let's look and see what that means. So we've got 2 stars placed here on this slide. But if we switch over to slide number 3, which is the next slide, we have another list of words here. So I wanted to let you know you do not have to move all 10 stars on both of these slides. You're just going to move however many for the words that you like. So I've moved 2 here, so for slide 3, I would need to move 3 for a total of 5 words. So let's pick 3 here. Sparkling. I like that word. So let's grab a star and put it next to sparkling, which means shining with brilliant points of light, like stars. Another one, stylish, fashionable and elegant. We could put that right there next to the word stylish. And then, peaceful. I like that word. So let's put it next to peaceful. Everybody kind of wants to live in a place that's peaceful, right? Okay, so now you're going to decide what 5 words you've written. So cozy, historic, peaceful, sparkling, and stylish. And you are actually going to type all of those here. So we had cozy, we had, peaceful. What was the other one on this slide? Historic. We're going to type historic here. We have stylish. Notice I'm not putting them in any order. You can be random or you can put them in order. And we have sparkling. Okay, so we've got all 5 words. Now yours are probably going to be different than mine, but you're going to type all of your words that you've decided to use here. Okay, let's move on to task number 2. So it says here, now it's your turn to create some strong vocabulary. Use a thesaurus to find 5 synonyms for each of the words in the boxes below. Make sure your synonyms have a positive connotation, which means the sound of them sounds like it's a good thing. After all your gingerbread house. This is your gingerbread house and you want to sell it. So you want all of your descriptions to be very positive, like it puts your gingerbread house in a very good light. So then you're going to drag and drop 10 stars and place them next to words that you will use in your final description. So that final flyer that we're going to make and distribute around the town. Okay, so let's start with the word big. It also lists the word spacious. So what could we use for synonyms for the word big? Well, if you have any trouble coming up with something, let's see what we can do about that. So let's open up our Google Chrome, and if you go to thesaurus.com, just like this, thesaurus.com, it will open up with this page here. So we need to find other words for the words that are listed. So notice it did ask in the instructions to find synonyms for each word. Remember, antonyms are the opposite and synonyms are the same. So we want to find synonyms for big and spacious. So let's come back here. So synonyms of big. Let's see what we come up with. Sizable, substantial, and gigantic are great words for the word big, but they're a little bit more formal than the word big. So let's do sizable. We'll do substantial. And massive, I saw was a word. So you're going to go through and you're going to complete each and every one of these. So 5 words for each of the 6 that are listed. You're going to go through each of these and come up with synonyms for the words. Okay, once you've done all that and you have all your words, then you're going to pick your favorite words using, again, these stars here on the right-hand side. So you're going to grab a star and put it next to whichever words you want to keep, and you're going to do that all 10 times. So just go through picking and choosing your favorite words and moving all 10 stars. All right, great. So that is task number 2, and I think that's a really good stopping point for us today. So if you will do those, that would be great. So it should save your work as you go. And let's meet back up tomorrow and we'll go over the rest of this. Okay, guys, I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.